Bro, you work hard for years, save money, and when you finally go to buy a house, the price is so high that your heart sinks. Today I will explain how to buy a house in the easiest and the more interesting way using lions. By the end of the video, you will fully understand mortgage, home loans, and the real game of buying house. Watch till the end. In the Lion Kingdom, there are many beautiful strong houses made of wood and rocks. A young lion named Will wanted to buy a big comfortable house. The house cost 800 years, but Will only had 200 years. So he went to Big Lion Bank and said, I want to buy this house. Give me the remaining years. So the bank said, no problem. We will give you 800 years. But you have to pay us back every month with some extra interest. This is called mortgage or home loan. Every month we'll have to pay a fixed amount of the bank. Part of it reduce the loan and part is the bank's profit called interest. If we pay for 15 years, the house finally becomes fully his. But if he missed payment, the bank can take the house back. The biggest advantage is you can live in the house right now without saving the full amount. The disadvantage is you pay much more money because of interest. Never spend more than 30 and 35% of your monthly income on EMI. Always compare interest rate and never buy a house in a hurry. Buy a house is a big financial decision. Be smart and think carefully. If you liked this video, then hit like, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Comment and tell me, do you want to buy a house one day?